There, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to find a Taylor polynomial. So, if you look here, you can see I've been asked to find a cubic. There are some keywords in this section. I've been asked to find a cubic Taylor polynomial about one of this. Now these are the key bits of information that you need to solve. Now cubic means degree 3. So, the Taylor polynomial is of degree 3, so the maximum power you go to is x cubed. About 1, which means that my x terms will be of the form x minus 1, and I'll be evaluating everything at 1. Okay, so, the way I like to do this is write it out almost like a table. So I've got an f of x equals 1 over x minus 2, and about 1, so f of 1 equals 1 over 1 minus 2, or 1 over minus 1, or just minus 1. F prime of x, now I'm not going to explain how the derivatives are found because I assume you know that, so minus 1. And I've got f prime of 1 equals negative 1 over 1 minus 2, or just negative 1 squared, which is 1, equals negative 1 again. Okay, so f double prime of x. Now because it's cubic, you stop at the third order derivative, so f triple prime of x is your last one. Now f double prime, now this is just 2 over x minus 2 cubed. F double prime of 1 is 2 over 1 minus 2 minus 1 cubed, which, well, 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 cubed, minus 1 equals minus 2. And here I've got minus 6 over x minus 2 to the 4th. Okay, so f triple prime of 1 plus, so the minus 6 over 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 to the power 4, which is your 1, equals minus 6. Okay, right. So I'm now going to plug this into the Taylor polynomial formula. I'm not going to write it out here, but it can be found online in a load of places, so I don't think I need to. So we've got the Taylor polynomial it's just going to be the first term, which is f of 1, minus 1. Then we've got f prime of 1, which is minus 1, so minus x minus 1. And then we've got, let me just think, and plus minus 2 over 2 factorial x minus 1 squared plus minus 6 over 3 factorial x minus 1 cubed. Okay, so here I can simplify. So 2 factorial, that's just 2, so this cancels out and becomes a negative 1. So I've got negative 1 minus x minus 1 minus x minus 1 squared. And 3 factorial, that's 6, so it's another minus x minus 1 cubed. And that is cubic, Taylor polynomial cubic, because the maximum term is cubed, about 1, because you've got the x minus 1. Of fx, it's also about 1, because you evaluate these at 1. Okay, so that was how to find a Taylor polynomial. Thank you.